Dear secondary students, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to a new lesson of English which is entitled Conservation. Lesson 3, Part A, Listening. Definitions. Number 1, Youth Club. It's a noun. It means a club where young people can meet each other and do many activities. For example, every week I meet my friends in the youth club. Number 2, skate park. It's a noun. It means a place where people can skateboard. For example, skateboarding is very interesting, but it needs a skate park. Number 3, expert. It's a noun. It means a very knowledgeable and skillful person. For example, my mother is an expert in dressmaking. Number 4, operating system. It's a noun. It means the program loaded on the computer to manage resources. For example, there are many operating systems like Windows and Linux. Now listen to this dialogue between two students trying to solve a problem, then answer the questions. Student 1. So we are trying to find a solution for a problem that many young people are having in our town at the moment. Student 2. Yes, there aren't enough facilities for young people in our town. When you aren't at school or doing your homework, the only things you can do are go for a walk, go shopping, or go swimming. Student 1. Yes, I think we should have a far more comprehensive range of facilities for young people here. Student 2. We could ask the local council to build a skate park. That wouldn't cost very much money and it wouldn't take up very much space either. Student 1. That's true, but not all young people like skateboarding. And what if there is a storm or it's too hot outside? Student 2. That's a good point. Do you have any other suggestions? Student 1. Well, what about starting a youth club in building that's already there? The council wouldn't have to build anything new, and the youth club could offer lots of different activities. So there is something for everyone. Student 2. The council would still need to pay some people to organize the youth club to be completely free. Student 1. Ok, but it might not cost a lot, and they could ask for volunteers. Student 2. Ok, but what activities could we do at the youth club? Playing games and drawing isn't exciting for older. Student 1. Ok, so we have two possible solutions so far. It seems like we need to find something that doesn't cost much money and is still interesting for many young people. Now let's answer the questions. Number 1. What is the problem? There aren't enough facilities for young people in their town. Number 2. Make notes about the pros and cons of the two possible solutions in the table below. Solution 1. The skate park. Now we are going to write the advantages and disadvantages of skate park. Advantages means pros. The first advantage, it wouldn't cost very much money. But we have disadvantage, which is not all young people will like it. The second advantage, it wouldn't take up much space. But we have another disadvantage. People can't practice it if there is a storm. Now let's see the second solution, which is youth club. We have also pros and cons. The first advantage, it offers a lot of activities. The first disadvantage, the council needs to pay money for people to organize it. The second advantage, there is something for everyone. The second disadvantage, there aren't activities suitable for older kids. Now we have come to the end of this lesson. Thank you and see you later in the next lesson.